Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to practice standing asanas for diabetes. Kati Chakrasana. Ek, partial inhale, legs apart. Take the both palms on your chest. Do full inhale. Twist your waist region. Look on the right hand. Normal breath. Observe the beautiful twisting. With normal breath. Teen. Partial exhale. Char. Complete exhale. Legs together, hand side of the body. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Benefits. Control diabetes by improving the efficiency of pancreas. People suffering from Parkinson's, Alzheimer's, frozen shoulders will be highly benefited. Improves kidneys efficiency and cures uterus problems. Strengthening the back, neck, shoulder, chest and abdominal muscles. Enhance sexual health. Reduce the fat at waist and belly fat. Improves the digestive health. Reduce lower back pain. Improves the bowel movement. Helps cure indigestion and constipation. It relieves the asthma, cough, TB. So many benefits. Now, second asana, Ardha Kati Chakrasana. Ek, inhale. Raise your right hand, centimeter by centimeter. Full inhale. Stretch the right foot to right palm, right side of the body. Full inhale. Do exhale. Observe the beautiful massage to the right side of the body. With normal breath. Beautiful massage to the right side of the stomach. Teen inhale. Stretch. Char with exhale. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Observe the beautiful blood circulation to your right hand. Compare the both hands' blood circulation. Do opposite. Benefits. Elasticity of lateral region increases. Lateral thoracic muscles are stretched and blood supply to them increases. Clear the blockages in the lungs and improves breathing. Hip joints become flexible and excess fat around the waist reduces. Relieves from back pain, constipation and good for flat foot. It is the beautiful asana for reduce the sugar levels in the blood. It is highly beneficial for both hands. Very good blood circulation to your both hands, balancing. Please maintain body on single line. Before yogasana, please do warm up 5 minutes and Surya Namaskar 5 minutes. You get the highly benefits. One more asana, Parivrtta Trikonasana. 1. Inhale, legs apart up to 1 meter, hands at shoulder height. Though with exhale, bend forward, right palm, side of the left foot, left hand above the head and look up with normal breath. Observe the beautiful twisting abdomen, back. It's stimulate the pancreas. Release the insulin in proper way. Then inhale. 4. Legs together with exhale and hand side of the body. Relax in Shitila Tadasana. Do opposite. Benefits: strengthening the legs and hands, stretches the hips and spine, opens the chest to improve breathing to fight against COVID-19, relieves the mild back pain and neck pain, stimulate the abdominal organs. By stretching arms and shoulders, then these parts become strengthened and flexible. Massages the internal organs, then improves the functioning of digestive system, relieves the sciatica pain. By twisting, improves the function of the reproductive organs. By twisting the both sides, both nervous systems become balanced. Then it helps to improve the calmness of the mind, then relieve the stress and anxiety. Contraindications: those who are suffering from severe back and neck pain, they should not practice. Relax. One more asana, Ardha Chakrasana. 1. Take the both palms back, partial inhale. 2. Full inhale. With open or closed eyes, your choice. Benefits: by stretching all the internal organs, stimulates like pancreas, release the insulin in proper way, reduce the sugar levels in the blood. Teen with exhale. 4. Complete exhale. Relax. Padahastasana. 1. Partial inhale. Raise your both hands at shoulder height. 2. Full inhale. Take the both hands above the head. 3 partial exhale, bend forward. 4 complete exhale, take the both palms side of the feet, stretch the backbone, try to touch forehead to the knees, don't bend the knee, benefits by pressing abdominal organs stimulates, pancreas stimulates and release the insulin the proper way, reduce the sugar levels in the blood. Limitations: those who are suffering with hypertension, heart problems, back pain, cervical problem, hernia, they should not practice. As much as you can, punch, partial inhale, 6 full inhale, 7 partial exhale, 8 complete exhale, relax. Thanks for watching this video. For more videos, like us and subscribe